Excuse me, sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah. I'm not speaking it. So here, close the door. Now I am using prop copy procedure. Everybody aware of this one. I am copying only data sets or catalogs. Catalogs only. When I submitted this one, we can copy the all catalogs from my SANSELP library to work library. Only catalogs only. Now today we will discuss our next procedure is called which one? Prop catalog procedure. See this? These are the catalogs only. We have so many catalogs are there. Okay, I want to display. So here already we have discussed prop format procedure. Yes and no. Okay, so when we create the prop format procedure, we can create the catalogs only. So here, which one is a character format? Which one is a numeric format? That is my question. If I submitting this one, so say this here. Okay, some SCLs are there, SCLs. All these are catalogs only. But even macros also. For better understanding, just wait for some more days to discuss this. Here I want to delete all these things, prop delete, data is equal. But if I am deleting, prop delete it won't work, right? To delete the catalogs?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now today our procedure is, I will write a syntax first. Syntax. Okay. Prop catalog cat is equal. Prop catalog cat is equal to your catalog name. Yeah. So here we have so many catalogs out there. Yeah. Work dot actually whatever catalog, that catalog name only. Okay. So work dot formats or work dot AC. For example, here my format name is a AC. Right click, properties, member type is equal to catalog. So we have so many catalogs are there. Work dot, please mention catalog name only. Catalog name. Okay, and then we have to use the statements only. Then again we have to use run and we have to use quit. So this is a syntax. Quit is a mandatory when we use the prop catalog procedure here. Now I am running prop catalog cat is equal to here work. I have mentioned just work only. Then delete is my statement underscore all underscore. Let's see and keep only. Now when I am submitting this one, okay, so it is not, wait, it is not working. Catalog work does not exist. So here we have to use work dot all. Let's try whether it works. Still it is not working. There is no work data. Now I am using work data. AC is there. Okay, so now here no entry type. So if anybody wants to delete any format, entry type is very important. What is meant by entry type? Entry type is nothing but whether that is a character or whether that is a numeric only. Okay. So for better understanding here, I am deleting manually, but I will explain this way. I have deleted here. Just wait. So prop format lib is equal to my nickname is a work only. Here format I am giving ages. So 0 to 12 is equal to juniors only. Juniors. Juniors. Then 13 to 16. 13 to 16 is equal to seniors. Okay. Then again I am creating one more format, $gender. So here M is equal to 1, F is equal to 2. This is only Again, I am creating one more format, DOJF format, DOJF. So here load, then 01, January 2000, December. I will go for December, 31st December 2015 D. I need DDMM by 10 dot format. 01st, January 2016 to 3 hyphen. So here 31st December 2013. Here I need date 9 that format. All these things we discussed, right, in our previous class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So January 2021 B to I. I need wanted date format, wanted date data. So here run it. Now run. When I am submitting this one, we can see here. See this? I have created one format. What happened? Something is happened.
Sir, format, in the place of format, we have to use values last time.
Correct. Value. That is a correct value. Syntax mistake. Okay. So value, then execute this one. Now we have created formats, 3 formats. Okay. So in the real-time scenario, once you join any company, we have separate formats catalog available. Okay. Under that format catalog, you can see this is my catalog only. When we open, here only 3 formats are there. But in the real-time scenario, you can see them maybe 300 also. 300 formats available. Now, here anybody just let me know which one is a numeric format, which one is a character format. Anybody? Any idea? Okay, because while creating, we have seen, okay, a dollar symbol, prefix field, that is a character, but I want to display the which one is a numeric, which one is a character. That is called entry type. What is my entry type? Entry type is nothing but whether that is a character or numeric. So proc catalog cat is equal to work dot. Here work dot is not required because by default what is my library? Work library only. Under work library what is my catalog name? Format. Okay. Then here contents. Contents is a statement only. Contents is a statement. Now I am submitting this one. When I submit it, we can display the contents of the work.formats catalog only. So contents is nothing but by using this contents, we can see the when we created, when we modified, which one is a character, which one is a numeric, everything we can see it in my output window when we executed contents. So now see this here, contents of catalog work.formats only. So now age type is nothing but entry type. So age of DOJF gender, format is there, format C is there. Format C is nothing but that is a character, format is nothing but a numeric code. Clear my point? So by using contents, now you can see the creation date and you can see the modification date. Today only I have created, so that's the reason creation date and modification date both it shows same. Okay, so this is now we are seeing which one is the entry type also. Now here, anybody please let me know. I want to delete 2 formats only. One is a AJF format, other one is a DOJF format. I want to delete. Then how can we delete? So in our yesterday procedure, we have discussed the delete statement. Yes and okay. Otherwise, kill option also. Kill also we discussed, right? Now here I am copying and I have pasted here. Remove this one. Here I am using which option? Fill. Okay. Now in my formats, you can see 3 formats are there. When I submitting this one, is there any format? So when we use the kill option in catalog procedure, we can delete the all formats only. When we use the kill option in datasets procedure, we can delete the all datasets only. But yesterday also I used the kill option, but in my dataset procedure, when we use the kill option in prop datasets, we can delete the all datasets. When we use the kill option in catalog procedure, then we can kill the all catalogs. Clear my point? Okay, doubt anybody? Okay, so now here, again I am submitting this one. Which one? My prop format only. Now 3 formats are there? Yes or no? Now anybody please let me know. I want to save only vendor format. I don't want these 2 formats.
Save genders. Save status.
Save gender. Okay, wait. So here I am using save gender. You are saying gender. Sorry. Now if I am submitting this one, now there is no save, because if anybody wants to delete, if anybody wants to save, or if anybody anything, format name is required, entry type also required only. What is my entry type here? Anybody? Entry type already gender. What is my entry type? C. C. So we have to specify the gender dot format name dot format type also. So my format type is a C. Now when I submitting this one, we can say only gender, remaining 2 we have deleted only. Clear my point here? Okay. So kill option, save, we have discussed yesterday. Whatever option statements we have discussed in our yesterday class, we can use the same statements and same option in catalog procedure also. Now again I am submitting. Okay, I am submitting this one. Anybody please let me know here. Now I want to delete only DOJF only. Then don't use save here, because here only 3 format. For example, 300 formats are there. 300 formats I have created. I want to delete only 5 only. Then we can use save also, save 5. But instead of this save, we use delete. Can we use delete here? Yes, how to use delete? Delete?
Delete dataset. I mean,
DOJF
DOJ.
dot format. Perfect. Okay. Then run it and click it. So we can use like this only. Now when I am submitting, so you can see here there is no DOJF. We have successfully deleted only by using delete statement. Clear my point here? Okay. Now again I am submitting this one, my catalog format. Now 3. Now anybody please let me know. Gender is my format name. I want to rename my catalog gender to sex only. Then how can we do that? Anybody?
The last time we have to change it.
Last time we have to use change. What about this time? Same change?
Change gender dot format C.
Wait. Gender dot format C
Is equal to
is equal
Is
to
equal to sex dot format C.
exactly sex that format. Don't write it sex only. Sex that format C also required only. Then quit it. When I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. Now we have renamed the sex only. Clear my point? Okay, this is a one point. Now, okay, so here I want to copy. I am creating one library now, my own library, 2023. So here macros is my library, just assume. Under this library, I want to copy all my formats from my work library to this folder path location. How can we do that here? For that, at that time we have to use libname, ESV, then give your folder path location. Now I have submitted this one. Fine. So go to this. We have created VSV or not? Yes. Okay. When I open my VSV, only SAS macros, that's only. But I want to copy the formats from my work library to which library? VSV library.
VSV.
Then how can we do that? That is a question. Yeah. Okay. Now here prop catalog, that is equal to which one? Worked format zone. Okay, let's get copy, right? Okay, copy in is equal to, what is our input? Worked
formats.
Out is equal to
PSV.
VSV. So here my catalog name is a under work library. My catalog name is a formats. If you want the same name, then VSV.formats only. If you want your name or some other name, project related. So here I am writing VSV.cdisk only. Okay, then my format name is my catalog name is a cdisk. Under cdisk catalog, we can see the formats only. Clear my point here. Otherwise, you can write it work.formats, VSV.formats only. Your wish. Then run it and print it. Clear my point? Now here I have submitted this one. When I submitted, you can see here. Go to your BSV. When I open my work library, we have successfully copied so and so. Now cdisk we have created. Under cdisk you can see the 3 formats. So I don't want to copy all formats. I need only 2 formats only. While copying, then out of 100, I need only 2. Then select or exclude. We discussed, right? Select format name dot entry type. Again format name dot entry type. Okay. Out of 300, I need only 2. I don't want to 2. Remaining 298 I need. Then we have to use exclude on. Discuss this again. Okay. This is our proc catalog. But my suggestion, don't much concentrate on catalog. Not much useful and clinical. Whatever we have discussed, proc data sets, that is our wish only. But proc catalog not much useful for clinical side, but important for banking side only. Here, anybody, any doubt, please let me know here. No? Okay. So now, next procedure I am not explaining today. Just I will take another 10 minutes only today. Yesterday I have started my new batch actually, EIPM. Some 2 members, they asked some doubts actually. Now, anybody please let me know how to resolve that issue. That is a good doubt. Yeah, no one asked till now actually. So now I am writing data AP input. So here ID, age, salary is there. Cards, ID is a 101, 22, 22,000, 102, 23, then 23,000. Then run it. Log print data is equal, my data set name is a AP, run it. So when I submitting this one, we can see it here. We have printed. Okay, this is as usual. So what about my, she is studying actually MBBS, again US only. Okay, she asked that down. My variable separated by spaces, variable name, whether it works or not. Here patient, here ID is there, but I am writing PID. PID stands for patient ID. But patient ID separated by space. That is one column, but separated by space only. If I submit it, then what is my output?
Salary deleted, sir. PID.
Wait. ఏంటండి ఇది చెప్పండి, ఒక్కటి చెప్పండి. సో అది ఇంటెరెన్స్ అని చెప్పాడు, అయిపోయింది అప్పటికి. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు అది ఎలా రిజాల్వ్ చేయాలి మరి? ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ది పి స్పేస్ ఐడి. అండర్ దట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ది 101, 102. దట్ ఈస్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్.
In case of observations అయితే డాలర్ విత్ డాట్ పెడతాము సార్.
ఓకే, కరెక్ట్. డాలర్ విత్ డాట్ అది మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం కాబట్టి. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్స్ సపరేటెడ్ బై స్పేస్ కదా.
Spaces that variable is in single quotes.
Okay.
And n.
Okay. ఎవరు చెప్పండి. So Narasimha. Okay. So super. So here, if any values are variable names are separated by spaces, those variable names must be enclosed with the single quotes and ends with the N, whether caps N or small n. Up to here, okay, fine. But one more option is required. So only this is it won't work. Again, we have to use options. Options valid where name is equal. We have to use any. Any means whether my values are separated by spaces or something, anything. So we have to use this option also. When it will be useful means when my variable names are separated by spaces. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting this one, now see this here. Under PID we are displaying or not. I will give one more example. So data, this is a global. Global means once we used in my machine, no need to again and again, no need to use. Okay, only once use. Global options means once one time, it impacts for remaining entire session only. Okay, so again data AQ input ID. Next one is here I am giving M marks. M is my marks. Next one is P and C marks. P and C only, that is a one column only. Okay, next one is English marks. Totally 4 subjects marks. But P and C is one subject only. What is my point here? Now here comes ID is a 101, M marks is a 99, P and C marks is a 66, and E marks is a again 99 only. Okay, then 102, 55, 77, 88. Okay. Then in this scenario, how to read this data here? AQ, then run it. Again, which one? P and C, single quotes. Okay, wait.
Answer the N.
Wait, if I am submitting this one, this is it correct output only. Okay, now give me writing P and C
And then
and N. Correct enough? So now go ahead.
option.
Option is not required here. So P and C, you can see we have printed one column. Go for your which one? What is my data set name? AQ. Go for your work library first. This is a work library, AQ. So what is my column name? P and C. That is output only. Output it shows like that. But when we created HTML report, PDF report, we can see the horizontally P and C only one column. Okay. But I will explain HTML report, PDF report in my next week only. Next. Clear my point here. So this is fine. Variable names are separated by spaces. We have to use options valid var name is equal to any, and your variable names must be enclosed with the single quotes and ends with the N. Clear? Doubt? Now I will go for next one. Okay. So now here data. My data set name. Data set name is stances only. If my data set name separated by spaces in that scenario, stances private limited only. This is my data set name only. Got it my point? Here input ID AX salary. Costs 101, 22, 22,000, 102, 23, 23,000. Run it. Dot print. Data is equal. Stances private limited only. Then run it. Whether it works or not. సార్ మీరు ట్రై చేయలేదు అనకండి దయచేసి. చేయలేదు, ఐ నో చేయలేదు కదా. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ సబ్మిటింగ్ దిస్ వన్, లెట్ సి అట్లీస్ట్ ఇది రన్ అవుతుందో లేదా. స్టాన్సెస్ మాత్రమే క్రియేట్ అయింది. సో వెన్ వి గో ఫర్ ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ మై డేటా సెట్ నేమ్? స్టాన్సెస్ private.
Three data sets have the same data.
In my previous classes, set statement discuss చేసేటప్పుడు we can create 3 data sets at a time. Yes or no? Each and every data set separated by space. కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు 3 data sets create అయ్యాయి. Yes or no? But name I need only that is a dataset name, not three datasets names. What is my point here in this scenario? So shall I use single quotes? Okay, single quotes. Enough. Okay, fine. Here also single quotes. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I am deleting. Okay, only one. No issue. So no. The value is not valid. మళ్ళీ valid కావాలి కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు we have to use options valid
where name equal to n.
no valid mem name is nothing but a data set. మనకు mem type ఒకటి ఉంది గుర్తుందా? అలాగే mem name అంటే data. Okay, member name అంటే data set name. Mem name is equal to we have to use which option? Extend. Mem name is equal to extend. Okay, so now I am submitting this one. Now go to this one. Created stanzas private limited here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see this here. Our stanzas data set successfully created. You can see the three variables set to observation. So clear my point. So valid var name especially applicable for variables. So valid mem name for data sets only. But when we use valid var name, we have to use valid var name is equal to any. When we use valid mem name, we have to use extend. Okay, this is by default. So actually these doubts yesterday they asked actually. So that's the reason. And what is the data set size length here? Anybody?
8, sir.
8.
32.
32 bytes only. 32 bytes. What is the variable name length?
8 bytes.
I am not asking variable values. By default, variable value length is a 8 bytes. I am asking variable name. What is my point here?
256.
Wait. Data AP input. Okay, so then here writing which one? See, my variable name I am writing here. My variable name is a stanzas software solutions. That's only software solution. Next one is a year. How many variables are there here? Only 2, but looks like so many variables are there. 4, but stanzas software solution is a 1 variable only. Okay, so costs here I am writing Amir Pet. Next one is a year is a 2024. Now run it. Print data is equal. What is my data set name? A3. But here, as I said, when our variable names are separated by spaces, single quotes. Okay. Now here I am writing single quotes and n is required. Now I am submitting this one. So we have printed. Why? Because this is a which one? Dollar symbol is required. That is a character, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now when I submitted, again, why we are not printing? Anybody? Now we have printed on. Okay. After n, you have to use which one? A dollar symbol on. Okay. I mean T. Because T is a missing is more than
8 bytes.
8. Okay. Now here stanzas software solutions. We have printed stanzas software solutions, but in the output you can see the 3 lines only. When I open AT dataset, you can see here. When we printed this one, HTML report or PDF report, you can see in the 1 line only, single line. I will explain at the time of HTML and PDF next week only. Now here, stanzas software solutions, I don't know how many bytes. Now project limited. I have added some more. Now let's execute this one. First data step. Go to log window. Is there any error? Limited contents. More than 35. So, which means variable name maximum less than or equal to 32 bytes only. Please make a note this also. Because why yesterday they asked means they have attended lot of demos, multiple institutes only, so many institutes. Finally, they asked for this. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed all these things only. That's the reason I have repeated same today. Any doubt here? Anybody? Equal to any valid mem name is equal to external, and variable name also must be less than or equal to 32 bytes only. This is our today's class here. I am stopping.